Are you looking for the top 5 best mini greenhouses reviewed? I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right mini greenhouse, especially with so many options out there. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that can help your plants thrive. Product number 1. Kathy's Flower House by Rolife. Let me tell you about my experience with Kathy's Flower House by Rolife. As a DIY enthusiast, I was instantly attracted to the idea of building my own miniature greenhouse. The assembly was straightforward with no adhesive needed. I found myself lost in the intricate details, from the oil-painted corners to the pre-colored furniture. It felt rewarding to create something so beautiful and functional. This kit isn't just a project, it's a conversation starter. I placed it on my living room shelf and it instantly became the focal point of the room. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the design is classic and elegant, truly capturing the essence of a real greenhouse. The size is perfect for any tabletop or corner, adding vibrancy to your space. Plus, it's a fantastic gift for anyone who loves plants or DIY projects. However, the main downside is that it's more of a decorative piece than a functional greenhouse. It won't help you grow real plants, which might disappoint some plant lovers. So why should you buy it? If you're looking for a unique home decor item that doubles as a creative project, this is it. It's perfect for anyone aged 14 and up, making it a great family activity too. Plus, the company offers excellent customer service, ready to assist if you hit any snags during assembly. Kathy's Flower. Product number 2. 4-Tier Mini Greenhouse by Home Complete. Next up is the 4-Tier Mini Greenhouse from Home Complete. I was pleasantly surprised by how sturdy this greenhouse felt right out of the box. Setting it up was a breeze, no tools required. I wheeled it into my sunroom and it fit perfectly, giving me ample room to grow a variety of herbs and small plants. The PVC cover was a game changer. I could easily zip it up to protect my plants from the cold at night and roll it open during the day. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 4-tier shelving system is fantastic. Each shelf can hold up to 24 pounds, which means I could stack pots without worrying about collapse. The locking wheels are also a huge benefit. Moving it around was effortless. However, one downside is the PVC cover can be a bit flimsy in high winds, so I had to secure it with extra weights. Why buy this greenhouse? If you want a portable solution for indoor or outdoor gardening, this is your best bet. It extends your growing season beautifully, whether you're cultivating herbs or showcasing beautiful flowers. The price is incredibly reasonable for the quality and space you're getting. Overall, I would recommend it to anyone looking to get serious about their gardening. Product number 3. GreenGrow Greenhouse. Let's move on to the GreenGrow Greenhouse. I was eager to try this one because of its walk-in design, which seemed perfect for someone like me who loves to grow plants but also needs space. Setting it up took me about 30 minutes thanks to the clear instructions. Once assembled, I was impressed by its sturdiness. The thick polyethylene cover felt durable, and I loved that it had screened windows for ventilation. This greenhouse provides an ideal environment for my plants, keeping them safe from pests and harsh weather. Looking at the pros and cons, the first thing that stood out was its durability. The frame is robust, and I felt confident it would withstand strong winds. Also, the space it provides is significant. I could fit a dozen pots comfortably. However, it is a bit bulky, making it less suitable for smaller spaces. So, why should you consider the GreenGrow Greenhouse? If you want a reliable greenhouse that can handle various weather conditions and give your plants the room they need to grow, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for serious gardeners looking to cultivate everything from herbs.
Product number 4. The B-Strip Indoor Greenhouse. Now let's chat about the B-Strip Indoor Greenhouse. I was particularly excited about the built-in grow lights, which is something I had not seen before in a mini greenhouse. This was perfect for my indoor plants, especially during the winter months when sunlight is scarce. The assembly was a breeze, and I loved how sturdy the frame felt. The transparent PVC cover allowed me to check on my plants without opening it constantly. The grow lights were a game changer. They mimicked natural sunlight beautifully.
When it comes to pros and cons, the grow lights are the standout feature here. They come with 3 light modes and a timer, making it easy to customize the lighting for my plant's needs. However, the downside is that the greenhouse is slightly pricier than others on this list, which might deter some buyers. Why buy the B-Strip? If you're serious about indoor gardening and want to ensure your plants get the right amount of light, this greenhouse is a must-have. It combines functionality with innovative features that enhance plant growth. Plus, it's product number 5, BAMworld Mini Greenhouse. Finally, let's take a look at the BAMworld Mini Greenhouse. I was drawn to its compact design and the use of eucalyptus wood, which gives it a rustic charm. Setting it up was quick, and I appreciated the sturdy construction. The 3-tier design allowed me to organize my plants efficiently. I placed it on my balcony, and it added a cozy touch to the space. I found that it offered great protection against the colder weather, creating a warm microclimate for my plants. In terms of pros and cons, I loved the design and the fact that it was all-weather resistant. It feels sturdy, and the wood is naturally rot resistant. However, the size might be a bit limiting if you have larger plants. So why buy this greenhouse? If you're looking for a portable, stylish option that protects your plants throughout the seasons, BAMworld is an excellent choice. It's perfect for small spaces and offers great functionality without sacrificing style. Overall, it's a solid. In conclusion, each of these mini greenhouses has unique features that cater to different gardening needs. Whether you're looking for a decorative piece, a portable option, or something with built-in grow lights, there's a greenhouse here for you. Happy gardening, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews.